Hey, I'm Tracy, a food content creator. It's Labor Day, let's make some adobo. Bookmark this video to save this recipe. If you haven't tried Filipino food yet, chicken adobo is a good introduction to the cuisine. If you want to follow this recipe, all the ingredients should be available at most grocery stores. The thing about this dish is that it varies from region to region and from family to family. There are over 7,000 islands in the Philippines after all. You don't really need a lot of salt for this recipe because the soy sauce already has a lot of salt. I've come across recipes that called for oyster sauce, chili to make it spicy, but for my family, we add brown sugar and Sprite. I first learned how to make chicken adobo at school. Shout out to Mom Amy. The home ec classes that we had in the Philippines taught us not only to cook, but how to take care of ourselves through proper hygiene, formal dining, and we even had a fashion show. Half of the eggs weren't peeled properly, but that's alright. I'm gonna eat it anyway. Make sure to serve your adobo over a warm bed of rice, and it's best paired with soda if you drink that. This dish brings me a lot of nostalgia, and I hope you enjoy it too.
Hot.